Hey guys, it's JetRex103 here, and today we are doing some Restaurant Tycoon, but for some reason it isn't saving my plots. Wait, select plot. Oh, here we go. JetRexy food.
JetRexy food?
Yeah. So I have my chef.
I can totally upgrade your place comparing to what I did last time.
Oh yeah, I have a friend here. Oh, also guys, I tried to do Pokemon Brick Bronze, but it doesn't seem it's working, so I don't know if I'm going to continue that. Look, all I have on the menu. Main course. Cheeseburger, hot dog.
God, that's the world's best place in the world.
Hey, I chose a good one though. Good area. People, oh, I need to open, don't I? How do I open again?
You have to press restaurant, which is 3.
Oh, okay.
Open.
And open.
What I like to do
You opened your restaurant. Okay.
What I like to do is once everyone just gives me a bunch of diamonds as tips, I just kick them out so I get the diamonds in.
Hey, people, my restaurant is open. Come on, teleport, please. How much money do I even have? I have 18 cash. Is there anything I could buy with 18 cash? Probably not. Oh yeah, guys, if you haven't seen my new outfit, look at it. It's really cool. I think you have though. Now it's not as white. It has black on it now. No, I want this way. I love games like this. I might also do some restaurant tycoon.
Boring, even though I haven't played it in a year.
I just remembered. I could have just teleported to IKEA. Look, literally 5.
I didn't know.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot about my servants. Tycoon teleporter.
Wait, you have servants?
Yeah, look. If I go here, look. 2 waiters and 1 chef. I need to hire another chef. 4 workers. American chef. Start working. Click on counter. Where's the counter?
They can't work on 2 counters. 2.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. You need different ones. Okay. I'm gonna go to IKEA and get some counter.
You just made Roblox seem boring, like I said before, even though I haven't played it in a year.
Oh, that's 25. I don't even have. Oh wait. Yeah, I only have 12. I need 12 clothes. How much is the ruin? Oh wait, is the ruin one. How much is this? $50. Wait, I forgot. Our waitress can't accept it, can they? I have to.
Accept what?
The money?
Only the waiters can accept that.
No, the money.
The servant? Oh yeah, we can get money.
Collect dishes, waiter. You know, I'll just
do it for them.
I know.
What I do is I just make stuff way faster. Just like,
here are your pancakes.
You can click it, I think.
Man, a lot of people want pancakes. You want pancakes. You want pancakes. We all want pancakes. Hey!
Wait, do you even have pancakes on your menu?
Yeah, why are you guys asking for pancakes when I don't have pancakes?
Dessert?
Oh, desserts. Pancakes. Never mind.
Wait, how's your rating? I want to see your rating.
There. Overall.
But I got one time.
I know my menu variety. I'm going to change. My next menu is going to be Italian.
One time I got 6 stars on mine, but my Roblox thing, I guess the thing kicked me out.
Hey, do you guys like your pancakes? I hope you like your pancakes. Now I'm going to eat your pancakes. Delicious pancakes, I would say. Let me eat your pancakes. Hey! I was eating those. Give me your pancakes. I was just in the middle. Ooh, I love your cat. Are you Dennis Daly or something?
Wow, very realistic eating. Very realistic.
Kick him out.
Now give him the bill.
Give me my bill.
Jump on
Cash 46?
Go to IKEA right away before anything wastes your money.
I know. I should waste my money, shouldn't I?
Before anything wastes your money, you have to buy that.
I'm buying the clean one. Because the clean one's better, I believe.
It just makes... Actually, they just do the same thing. It just makes a better tasting food.
Wait, what? Purchase. Okay, you purchase a low quality. I purchased this one. Average. That's low quality. I purchased this one. Close. I'm gonna go back to my tycoon. That's just nice knowing that I brought the wrong one. Hey, at least I can still build it. Right. Can I build when it's opened?
Yeah, you can put stuff.
Here.
Money. You just found money.
I want to build. E. I said E. Why won't it let me rotate?
Maybe you actually need to press it.
Oh, it says R. Okay, never mind.
Dude, it's facing the wrong way.
Oh, I just noticed that. There we go. I finish. And now I'll work. Let's start the work. Finally! Oh, wait. I did another American. I forgot. Oh.
Fire him. He's not even leveled. Press stop and then fire.
Stop. Fire. You fired a worker.
Now he has to go home, and then once they do that, they're not gonna be able.
That's
to
Italian, and I want Italian. So hire chef. Start working. There.
Now they don't have money.
Oh, she's afraid.
Oh, Logan sucks at the Italian accent.
It's me. It's me, Mario. Okay, so I'm actually going to collect this, and then, I'm going to go to IKEA since I have enough money. Okay, that's enough.
Can I talk gossip or whatever?
I don't care.
Okay, I'm talking gossip.
Okay, I want to go buy this. I need one more. Okay. Average counter. Cannot change. There's no other. Oh, wait, there is. That's 100? That's 75. I'll take this one. You've purchased one high quality. What is this? Best quality? Okay, I'm going to buy a best quality too. But first.
You just needed one more cash. One.
I know, but now that I have a better one, they can make better food. Right? I hope that's how it works.
They make better food.
We need some more money, Loki.
Yeah, no, I can't.
Remove. Oh, I can't.
Sometimes the money can despawn.
Wait, finish. Okay. I actually finished.
Fire her.
No, workers. I need to stop working. The worker is busy doing something at the moment. Okay, stop working.
No, make a new.
Oh, dang it, I can't. Okay. Now that she stopped, build. Remove. Okay. Remove that. Finish. Now, build.
I think you sold it.
Yeah, that's remove. Oh, how do I sell it? Finish.
Wait, dude, you can hire more sets, and they can make better food.
Oh, yeah. Build. Okay, I'm actually just going to have a whole bunch.
Oh, you put a chair there.
Finish.
Oh, yeah, I don't care.
Start working. You go to that one. Chef. What should she cook? Japanese. Okay.
A lot of people like Mexican more.
Mexican?
Yeah. What? How did two?
That's Mexican. And start working. Oh, did I do a female? I don't think I did a female, did I? It's not a female.
Yeah, it's a female.
Oh, good. It's a female.
Why? Do you want all your workers to be females? So.
Besides our waiters. Hire waitress.
So you have a certain code, only girls. Everyone's looking for hot dogs.
Oh yeah, they do want hot dogs.
Well, girls are good.
World Star Chef. No, I don't want to begin. No, I don't.
Just press it. Press it.
No.
They'll do it. Then you can get way better food. It's better than all.
Do I get to keep my restaurant and everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to keep your restaurant. Plus, I think you get more money.
I'm so close to 100. I just need 100, and then I can replace this. Wait, do people like American more than that? Than Mexican?
A lot of people like Mexican more.
Okay, then do Mexican.
Did God But some people like burgers and pizza.
Hey, guys! Oh.
Give me money. Give me money.
Okay.
Give me money.
Now let's see my ratings. Ooh, 3.5 stars. Oh yeah, guys. By the way, I'm gonna do this off camera, and I'm gonna upgrade this just a little bit.
What people are there?
I know, a table for 4.
And 3, 2, wait. Stop it. Stop.
It said stop. I'm gonna actually go to, no, I'm actually gonna wait till 100. I really want this new table, like,
I thought you said you would pause. Do autosave. So it pauses everything.
Autosave.
I mean, it saves everything. Let me show you a trick.
Okay. Oh, this is on restaurants. Close. Okay, so now that that's on, All American Grill. That's one. That's that.
I made one place that was.
What was yours place called?
My place was called Fredbear's.
American's Life. Perfect.
No, Fredbear's Family Diner. And it literally looked everything like it. The only thing it needed was animatronics and a sew stage. Is that yours?
Did any of you guys pay me? Pay me. I need paid. Give me money.
He copyrighted me. You copyrighted me.
Oh, I've been craving a hot dog all day. I've heard that the hot dog is delicious.
No money, no food.
Here it is. That's a hot dog. You're not jealous of your friend. You paid a wage bill.
You paid customers money?
No.
You paid your customer money.
I can? I don't want to do that. No money for you guys.
You can fire them.
Oh, you mean I paid money to them?
No, you paid money to the other people.
To the customers?
Yeah.
No.
You gave customers money.
Okay, guys, I'm going to do some work off camera, get some money and everything. So, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I've done a whole bunch of work.
And Logan doesn't have that much time. He only has 3 more minutes.
I have -9 cash. I don't know why.
Oh, you didn't pay your bills. Once you get the money.
I don't have any money. That's the problem. Look, so I have a bad, I have the best quality, and then a really good chef.
It's a world chef. And then he has a thing. You may have some.
Ooh! I can buy these things.
You have 9 world coins.
Where's your phone? And then I also have a computer where I can see restaurant reviews and advertisements.
And if you saw the other 2 options over there, that Logan might sew and might not.
Who wanted this?
But like the
Steak
other
burrito?
ones, as I said before.
How do I actually use this? How do I use that?
By currency? I think by currency is it.
It's not.
Buy diamonds, game passes.
Is it restaurant? Menu. No.
Maybe you can use this?
I don't know. Okay. Brayden. So as you can see, I have that.
Ooh, maybe you have reviews since you got the cast and someone left. Maybe you have reviews.
Edward, I had a meal with my friends here yesterday, and I hoped it would be nice. However, the staff quality were outstanding. I'm going to come here again every week. So as you can see, I got a good review from Edward. It won't let me exit the computer. I don't know why. How do I exit? It won't let me. Look, it actually won't let me leave the computer. Game. Oh, there we go. I had to zoom out, that's why. Okay, collect. Did I get another review? I'm just gonna check. No.
Go up. You're down.
I know, I need to zoom
Edward.
out somehow.
Oh, wait, you got Andrew. I came out here for a 3-course meal, and I was expecting some thing great. I don't usually review restaurants, but I found the food fine, but nothing special. It was